is extra fine medium. I'm going to go through them all. It's the board. Very thick. Double board. That's interesting. Looks a bit like it's a bit oblique there. Oblique medium. I don't think that's interesting either, really. Oblique board. So this is a double oblique. Let's check this. Interesting. Definitely the triple oblique board. It's actually amazing. That's all the pens tested. Meisterstu. Amazing pens. You can have a look, scroll through if you want. Today I am unboxing a Montblanc Meisterstück 149. This is a bit of an odd video on my channel. Again, I'm starting to make some odd ones, but basically this is more about, as you all know, my videos are about investing and mainly Bitcoin, right, and self-custody. But this is something special for me. I don't know if you, well, hopefully you do know about me. I'm really into stuff like this. That's why I'm putting this video out on my YouTube and on my Rumble and like my social media X and stuff, just so you can all have a look into this and something that might intrigue you. But yeah, my name is Jutanol Ahmed, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Hopefully you get a bit of understanding of what I do. Anywho, let's get on to the unboxing. This is the box. Oh my god, that it came in. I nearly cut the whole box up. So this 149, right? Oh my god. Oh, there's quite a lot of part. I need to cut. Put the knife away. Yeah, this is a bit of a, this is too technical. I can't even open it. There we go. I don't want to break it, but it looks like I am gonna have to. Wow, that was pretty that was pretty hectic. Anyway, I'm gonna take everything out and then leave the box here. Oh, this is pretty small. Some bubble there. Okay, let's see what's come. Oh, that's interesting. They didn't give this with my other ones. That's very interesting. They didn't give this with all my other ones. What is this? Oh, I think that's meant to be covering this, right? But it didn't. Anywho, everything's falling. Yeah, they gave some like bubble stuff. So many cards. I can't even move this around. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's basically what came in that. Let's see what they've given. So this is the card. Thank you for your purchase. We look forward to seeing you again on Montblanc.com or the Montblanc Boutique. Sorry. I love the fact that it's embossed and stuff here. If you can see here, that embossed. That's very nice. So they've given something like this with my other ones. I'm going to show you something special as well in this video, because I bought this and it's actually got a broad nib. It's got a just a broad, but the 149s actually come with a broad 3 oblique nib. This is only Montblanc that comes with that. Okay, I have to send this back to them to get that, and I will be making another video to show you that nib as well. But let's open these and see what's actually come in the package. Oh yeah. So when I ordered this, there was an option to like put a gift message. I put this here: knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. The reason I did that is because I use these to write, and obviously knowledge is power, right? It's just something I put. So I'm a sad person. I message myself stuff. Yeah, I need to reevaluate my life. So I got this, which is Midnight Blue ink directly from them, 60ml, made in Germany. It's pretty expensive, if I'll be honest. This is blue. I don't know if I'm going to get black. So the whole purpose of getting this Montblanc was because of the fact that this is more of a signature pen. It's very unique. Presidents have used it. Okay, that's one, like, very important people have used this pen. And it's just something I wanted. Ooh, that's pretty. People are probably going to think like you're insane. Like, why would you buy this pen? Interesting. What's that? Okay, they've just stuck that. Just put the logos there. It's like this is like all jewelry. Do you get what I mean? I love it. I love it. So yeah, if I show you this, wow, what do you think? Do you like it? Midnight Blue. Very, very nice. And then it comes with some information here, which I'm never going to read. Let's put that back. I like it. I like it a lot, as Jim Carrey would say. I don't know why I was expecting something more crazy. The art of putting pen to paper. We invite you to discover what writing means at Montblanc. Okay. I was expecting somewhere like some awesome case. It looks like, okay. So by the way, I don't mind showing the serial numbers and stuff like that. I don't think anybody's going to steal, even if they did. Have fun. Lol. As Bitcoiners say, have fun staying poor. Do you get what I mean? Gold created fountain pen 149. A Meisterstück. Okay? Very nice. Okay, anyways, let's open it up. A warranty card. And all I gotta do is, this is very weird. I didn't expect the packaging to be like this. My other one came in a huge box, by the way. So a service guide it comes with as well. I was expecting the 149 to be more grand. I don't know why it's come like this. I've not actually seen any other unboxings of the Meisterstück like this. There's these limited edition ones. This one isn't limited, I think. Uh, but let's have a look at it. It's come in some paper. What's going on? This is very odd. Why are they doing it like this? Okay, this is the... wow, can see how much dust there is on this because of that paper. This is not good. This is not good. Let me see if I can roll it around here and... okay. Okay. Let me move this to the side. Do you know what? I have to get the microfiber cloth out because it's shouldn't be like this. That is insane. I think there's a scratch on it. That's insane. Okay, no, I've rubbed it hard. It's gone. Because this is brand new, by the way. It's not like I've used it. You can see it says B there. It's broad. It's meant to be a triple broad oblique, so 3 OB. That's what it would say there. They don't actually sell it like that on their website or in their boutique because yes, this is a specialist thing that they basically need to do when they take it back into their place in Germany. If you can see here, right, it says JBZ lol. Hopefully you can see that there. JBZ. The lighting is it has to be like, there we go. Hopefully you can see that there. Yeah, if I move it around. I got it on the clip because I find it a bit more nice. This is a thick pen. It's a signature pen. I will be using this to sign stuff because I need to sign documents quite often. Wow, look at this nib. This is beautiful. This is art. Do you get what I mean? Wow. Hopefully you can see that there. That is beautiful. It says, I can't even read it. Yeah, I need to zoom into that. Amazing. This nib is the longest nib. It's a 149, okay? So it's got the longest nib here, and then it's part of the Meisterstück, the masterpiece. That's what Meisterstück means. And this is also, if you can see here, it's a bit empty, right? That's where the ink goes. So you actually have to fill it up like this by twisting it and then filling it up. So you have to actually put the ink directly into it. It sucks it up basically, which is awesome. It's got a very huge feeling. I'm just trying to feel how I feel holding this. Yeah, this is very comfortable. I like this. Some people say it's thick, it's too big. No, it's not. I love it. Let me see if I can see. Does that fit there? Yes, it does. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm so glad I got this. I'm going to be changing this nib to a 3OB, just so you're aware. When I get that, I'll be making another video to show you. Hopefully, you guys have seen all the close-ups and you guys actually enjoy it rather than just looking at this from here. Anyways, one thing I wanted to show you. So this one of my other Montblancs. Basically, I'm going to be sending this in for repair. I do not know how this has happened, by the way. Can you see that crack there? I do not know how this has happened. Literally, I think because I put this in my pocket, like here, when I'm going out with my my tubes, right? It's just bloody cracked. I don't know how the hell this happened, like all the way around. That's insane. This is a limited edition. It's gonna cost quite a bit to fix. It's a JFK Limited Rollerball. So I've taken out the Rollerball ink here, but excellent pen. I love it. I love it the way it is, but I'm just upset the fact that it has broken. I don't know why it broke or how. I didn't do anything to break it. It's not like I was being aggressive with it or anything. I'm very careful with these pens because I love them. They're writing instruments. I love writing with them. And as I said, I have to. So this is basically a pen that I'm going to be signing with, and this is my go to. I also give this, which I actually give to people because people always ask me for pens they don't carry one. This is more of a fine nib. It's a Parker. It's all 14 karat gold. This is I don't go through all of our pen collections and stuff, but I've got quite a few like fountain type as well. But this, I needed this. I love it. I'm so happy. This is my happy face, lol. But yeah, tell me what you think. What do you think about this? Do you think it's too big? Look at it compared to the JFK, yeah? Let's do a bit of a comparison. This is a Parker, by the way. Yeah, this is also a fountain pen. 23 karat. Anywho, let's not go into those technicalities. What do you think of the pens? It's not that long. They make it sound like it is, but it's not that long. This is probably only longer because of the crack there. Similarly to the Parker, but look how thick it is. It's the thickest pen. This is another Parker, right? That's just a normal ballpoint pen. Interesting. What do you think? Comment down below. Do you like it? Are you happy that I did an unboxing for you? Because I wasn't even going to do this unboxing. But I thought, you know what? Let me do it. Because at the end of the day, these are basically investment pieces. Do you know this? Why? You can pass this down by generations. They service it. They fix it for you. It's beautiful. It's art. I love it. I'm buzzing. I can't wait to use it, but I'm not going to use this nib. So I'm going to wait for the new nib to come. That's going to probably take like 10 weeks or something. But before I conclude, just want to show you this. This is the service pack that they sent me. This, I've never seen this, okay? Because none of my pens are broken before that I've needed to service it like that. Let's open this up. Okay, that's interesting. So this is basically telling you how to pack it all up and stuff, and so they can take it. 15 minutes. Okay, so it's going to take around 15 minutes to do this and pack it up neatly and then send it to them. Okay. So that's the service pack that they give. I might even go into a boutique rather than sending it like this, because I was actually expecting a bit more. I was expecting a bit more from this. I can't believe that it's this little case here. If you see my JFK case, right, I didn't even do an unboxing about this, by the way. This is what I'm saying. I don't really do unboxing regarding my pen stuff. I thought I might, because the 149 is very unique. It's a presidential pen, right? And plus, I got the gold one. This is all rhodium, by the way. Rhodium. I'll show you, like, you guys have seen close-ups of this whole video. But basically, I thought I'd get the gold because I love gold. I'm very into gold. Well, I could have got a platinum, but there's no point. How do I feel? It does feel good. I like it. It's not that thick. People say that it's so thick. I'm going to be enjoying doing my signature. That's how long my signature is, by the way. So, good luck to anybody that sees that. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe. Follow me on Rumble, on X. And yeah, I do appreciate you. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this gave you a bit of an insight to what this Montblanc looks like and how it is. This is the Meisterstück 149. Yeah, do follow me, and if you're new to this channel, just so you're aware, my actual niche and things that I do is actually crypto asset consulting. So regarding Bitcoin, I do consulting regarding self-custody and workshops to help people which are new to Bitcoin. Check out all my videos, you learn a lot from there, and if you struggle, do contact me. Anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.